If you press it like this, you can hit the washcloth. If it is not a particularly thick rag, that can hit it and is very stable. You can also hit the kitchen wipes. If you don't want to throw it away, just hit it and wipe it everywhere. It won't hurt if you throw it away again. It's no problem to mop the floor with a rag, but you have to wash the rag if it's dirty. It's very flexible and can fit into relatively low places like under the sofa, such as air conditioners and the height of the wardrobe at home. To be honest, the design is also awesome when you use it. You can expand the tube according to the size of the clothes. Whether it is clothes for 2 babies or underwear, hand towels, you can unfold everything you dug out, and it can be flat without the quilt being exposed. It can rotate 360 degrees so that every part of the clothes can be exposed to the sun. The stainless steel material is very durable and can be stored away when not in use. Use this glove that can be put on your hands to keep your baby warm during winter work or when your child is writing. You no longer have to worry about using your hands. The small gloves will not fall off no matter how you change them. They open directly to let in the air, and they will gradually heat up in the morning. When you go out, you can take a pair of sisters with you who are warm all day long, and you can put them on your feet when you sleep.
Now let's find out how to get the product in the video. There are 3 different ways to get the product. The first method is to buy from one of the stores that sell tools and household appliances, scattered around or near us. The second method, Facebook pages for selling home appliances. The third method, through websites that sell home appliances and ship them to different countries of the world. The following are the most important of these websites: Amazon and eBay and Walmart and Bestbuy, also Target and Lowe's. I will leave you the electronic addresses of these sites in the description of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the alerts button so that you receive notification or alert of each new video. Also, do not forget to like the video.